to go viral. You want to build a massive audience, but maybe you don't want to put your face on camera. Maybe you're an introvert. Maybe you just don't have the time to set up lights, a camera, or do your hair. I get it. For years, people thought the only way to win on social media was to be a personality, to be the star of your own show. But the game has fundamentally changed. A new opportunity, a massive one, is sitting right in front of you. This is the new gold rush, faceless content. It's exploding on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Channels are getting millions of views without ever showing a human face. And now, the most powerful tool, artificial intelligence. AI has unlocked this ability for anyone, and I mean anyone, to create stunning, high-quality, engaging videos at scale. Here's how we're going to do this. I'm not just going to talk at you for 45 minutes. That's not my style. We're going to use a creative strategy I call show, then do. It's simple. First, I'm going to show you exactly what a finished, high-quality, viral potential AI vlog looks like. We're going to watch it together. I'll point out the hooks, the visuals, the pacing, the sound. Then, we get to the do part. This is where the magic happens. After we've seen the target, I will pull back the curtain and we will build that exact same video from scratch together. We will start with a blank screen. We will find the viral idea. We will write the script. We will generate the AI images and video clips. We will record the voiceover. We will edit it all together. Every single click, every prompt, every decision. All right, let's talk tools and themes. To win this game, you need the right equipment. But forget about expensive cameras and microphones. Your new toolkit is digital. For the AI, 11 Labs, generating narration that sounds human. CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro. Timing, adding captions, finding royalty-free music. Theme, the secret history of a famous brand. Why it works as a faceless vlog. Nike, Apple, Coca-Cola. Apply to any brand. This format provides the perfect structure for storytelling. Every brand has an origin story, a dark period, a moment of genius, a rival, and a secret that they might not want you to know. Let's get one thing straight. Your content, no matter how good it is, lives or dies in the first 3 seconds. 3 seconds? That's the battlefield. You are fighting for attention against a million other videos. Notifications, text messages, real-life distractions. The user is scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Their thumb is hovering, ready to flick past you without a second thought. Your job, your only job in that initial moment, is to win the 3-second war. If you lose here, nothing else matters. This is where the hook comes in. The hook, not just the first line, but your title, your thumbnail, the first few seconds of visual and auditory info. It's a promise. It's a question. It's a shock. We are going to engineer this. Virality is not an accident. It is designed. The design process starts with obsessing over these first 3 seconds. Before AI tools or fancy editing, focus on the idea and its hook. Okay, so where do these viral ideas come from? Do you just wait for a lightning bolt of inspiration? No, you go hunting. You become a digital anthropologist. You study the environment. You need to know what people are already interested in, what they're talking about, what they're searching for. Creating content in a vacuum is a recipe for failure. The best place to start this hunt is on the platforms themselves. I want you to go to YouTube and look at the trending tab. See what's bubbling up. But don't stop there. That's too broad. Go to the search bar and type in keywords related to your niche. Your next hunting ground is TikTok. The TikTok For You page is the most powerful trend discovery engine on the planet. Start searching for keywords in your niche and see what videos have millions of views. Another goldmine is the comment section. People in the comments will literally give you your next dozen video ideas. They'll ask questions, debate points, express confusion. Finally, don't neglect other sources like Google Trends, Reddit, and even the news. Your job is to be a collector of these signals of curiosity. Section 3. The Art of the Scroll Stopper. Once you have a general idea of the trending topics, you need to figure out how to frame it. The frame is the hook. Let's say the topic is the history of Coca-Cola. A boring title would be The History of Coca-Cola. Nobody is clicking that. A scroll-stopping title reframes it. How about the one ingredient that made Coca-Cola billions and was then banned? It creates immediate intrigue and a knowledge gap. A great hook often involves a powerful emotional trigger. Curiosity. You won't believe what happened next. Controversy. Everything you've been told about X is wrong. Surprise. This everyday object has a secret that will shock you. Your title and thumbnail must deliver that emotional punch together. Section 4. The Secret History Goldmine. So, for our project today, the show then do video we're going to build together, we need a theme. And the theme we've chosen is the secret history of a famous brand. Why this one? Because it's an absolute goldmine. It's a format that is endlessly repeatable and hits psychological triggers for virality. People are inherently curious. We love feeling like we've been let in on a secret, especially when it's about something familiar. Nike, Apple, McDonald's. We see these brands every single day, but we rarely know the messy, surprising, and often unbelievable stories behind their creation. Before you spend hours creating a video, you need to validate your idea. You need to be reasonably sure that people actually care about the specific angle you've chosen. I call this the Greenlight method. It's a quick, simple checklist to run your idea through before you commit. This step saves you from wasting incredible amounts of time and energy on content that nobody wants to watch. The first check is the search volume check. Go to YouTube and Google and type in your exact video title concept. For example, the secret ingredient Coca-Cola banned. Do other videos on this topic exist? The second check is the emotional hook check. Read your hook out loud. Does it genuinely make you curious? A good test is to tell the idea to a friend. The final check is the visual potential check. Close your eyes and imagine the video. Can you easily picture 5 to 10 compelling, dramatic, and interesting scenes? Alright, let's get tactical. I'm going to give you 3 plug-and-play hook templates. Use them right now for your own videos. These are proven formulas across countless niches. The first one, my favorite, the You Think You Know hook. This template challenges the viewer's existing knowledge. It calls out assumptions about a topic. It positions your video as contrarian, insider information. Basic structure. You think you know. Commonly known fact, brand, person. Well, what if I told you? Contrarian or surprising twist. It's a direct challenge that invites curiosity, not defensiveness. Let's apply it. Examples. You think you know why the Titanic sank? We all learned it was an iceberg. But what if I told you a fire had been raging in its hull for days before it even set sail? You think you know why Netflix beat Blockbuster? The second template is a close cousin of the first, but with a slightly different flavor. It's the contrarian take hook. Everyone thinks, but here's why they're wrong. We've crafted the perfect hook. We've won the first 3 seconds. Now we have to deliver on that promise for the next 40 minutes. Section 2, choosing your weapon. Mid-journey for cinematic realism. There are many AI image generators out there, and new ones pop up every week. For hyper-realistic, cinematic, historically rich YouTube visuals, my weapon of choice is Mid-Journey. Section 3. The anatomy of a perfect prompt. A prompt is not just a description, it's a recipe. And like any good recipe, it has key ingredients that must be combined in the right order to get a delicious result. Just typing, "a man in an old pharmacy" will give you a generic, boring image. It won't have the mood, the drama, or the historical accuracy we need. A perfect prompt is built in layers, moving from the general to the specific. Now let's turn theory into practice with our first prompt formula. This one is our workhorse for the secret history format, the historical scene. Its purpose is to create rich, detailed establishing shots and narrative moments. This formula is all about world building. We'll use it to generate the visuals for the parts of our script that describe the setting. The formula follows this structure. Era, style, photo of subject, scene, setting detail, lighting condition, color palette. We have our killer hook, and we have our stunning cinematic visuals. We've built the beautiful car, but we haven't put an engine in it yet. The engine of a faceless vlog is the narration. It's the voice that guides the viewer, explains the visuals, and tells the story. In a video where you don't see a human face, the voice becomes the face. It carries all the emotional weight. As I mentioned, we're not hiring a voice actor, we're using AI. My go-to tool for this, and the one we'll use in our Do session, is 11 Labs. The reason I choose 11 Labs is the sheer quality and realism of its voices. It offers a library of pre-made voices with a wide range of tones, ages, accents. For our secret history of Coca-Cola video, we need a voice that sounds credible, engaging, like a masterful storyteller. Having a realistic voice is only half the battle. A great narrator doesn't just read words, they perform them. They infuse the script with emotion, vary their pacing, and adjust their tone to match the content. Section 8. The final polish. From raw audio to polished narration. We've generated our AI voiceover, but it's still in a raw state. The final step is to assemble and polish these raw files into a single, seamless audio track. Section 1. Assembling the puzzle. The editing timeline. Okay, the war room. This is where it all comes together. You have all the pieces. Start by laying down your foundation. The polished narration audio track. This is your spine. Place the entire, seamless voiceover on your main audio track from beginning to end. Now, listen to it. Listen to it without any visuals. Hear the rhythm, the pauses, the emotional shifts. Your visuals must now serve this audio narrative. The audio dictates the pace. The visuals provide the proof and the emotion. Now, start laying your A-roll visuals, main historical scenes, dramatic portraits, on the video track above the narration. Match the image to the words. When the narrator says, "It all started in a humble Atlanta pharmacy," cut to Jacob's Pharmacy. Section 2. The brand kit, your channel's uniform. Your channel isn't just a collection of random videos, it's a brand. And every strong brand has a consistent look and feel. Section 3. The click is everything. Thumbnails, titles, descriptions. You have created a 45-minute masterpiece, but it means nothing if nobody clicks on it. Section 5. The content multiplier. Slicing for shorts and reels. You did not just create one 45-minute YouTube video. You created a massive pillar piece of content, a content goldmine. The work is not over when you hit upload. Now you multiply your efforts. In today's media landscape, you have to be on all platforms. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Slice the long-form masterpiece into bite-sized vertical clips. Section 1. Your complete AI viral video workflow. So we've come to the end, but it's really the beginning for you. We've gone through the entire playbook, blank page to finished, optimized, ready to multiply piece of content. Section 5. The 30, 60, 90-day scaling plan. Going viral once is exciting, but it's not a business. Building a sustainable media brand is about consistency and systems. You need a plan to take you from one video to a content machine. This is the complete system. It's yours now. Use it. The game is just beginning. Now go play.